guys, I got this outdoor handrail from the seller so I could do an install video and show you all its cool features and how to install it. I'm going to head outside and install it on some wood stairs that I need a handrail. Alright, I got it out of the box now. It comes all nice wrapped up, the plastic wrap and bubble wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Looks pretty easy. Alright, it comes with a nice instruction manual here. And it has all the bolts. It looks like I got some wood bolts here, so that's going to work great for me. You know what's cool is they even got a bit driver in here. So there's a bunch of Allen's keys, and looks like it has all the tools you need. If you're going into concrete, it's even got a concrete drill bit here. And look at this, an open end wrench. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and follow the instructions and get it put together. And you start by assembling the handrail here. You just put these 4 pieces and in there, and they can go from 90 degrees up or at an angle for my staircase. So now I got to put the end pieces on now. Okay, I got the long screws here on the ends. So that's all put together. Now I'm going to put the top rail on. Just got to put these brackets on the top rail and then bolt them through right here. That's the next step. Okay, so I got the top rail all screwed on, and the next step is screw it down into the base, into the wood. So I'm going to do that next. All right, guys, you can see that I got it screwed down, and it's very secure. So now the last thing I got to do is put the little decorative pieces around the bases of these poles and finish tightening up these screws. Okay, so this is the decorative footing that goes around the rail here, and you can see it's got nice plastic pieces to go on the edges, and it put together pretty easily. Actually, it took me, I don't know, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes or so. So it didn't take very long at all. So if you guys need a handrail, this one's good. Alright guys, it's all completed. I'm very happy with this handrail. It's very secure. So if you guys need a handrail for your house, for your stairs, go ahead and get this metal handrail. It's extremely sturdy, and I really like the look of it, and I love how it came out. So if you guys need a handrail, get this one.